No. Go look out there. What is that?
This.
What is that?
These are my new bubbles. They're my pink bubbles.
They are. Who
Okay.
came to see you?
The Easter bunny.
Yeah, he did. He brought you a lot of stuff.
Here's some more bubbles. Here's some more bubbles.
Yeah,
I got a lot of
you
bubbles.
do.
These are Easter bunny tracks.
Easter Bunny tracks? It is.
I want to put them. That's my big Easter bunny. He give me that. Where is the bunny? And
That is actually for Kayla. You better put that back. That one's not yours.
It's a KK.
Put it back.
That lava is for me.
It's for Kayla. I think you have one.
That's KK's bucket. That's my bucket. That's my bucket.
It is your bucket.
Here's more pink bubbles. I can put